Hi everyone, welcome back to Miss Kinky T's channel. I am your host Tanisha, and today we are going to do a do-it-yourself detangler recipe created by SheRea. That's not her name. SheRea from SheRea DelSol. That's it. SheRea. I don't know. I will post her video down in the not the comment section, which I call that section. What's that section? The body of this video. I don't know. Whatever. Hi everyone, welcome back to Miss Kinky T's channel. I am your host Tanisha, and today we are going to do a do-it-yourself detangler recipe from SheRea DelSol, I believe is how it's pronounced. She is into the whole detanglers like I am, like with the African pride, and then I think she discovered another one like just for me kids. But whatever, I want to try this all natural one, and we're going to see how well it works in our head, or at least my head. You're going to watch me do my hair. So it's just 5 ingredients. It's aloe vera juice, coconut oil, gargum, and what else did I use? Vegetable glycerin, and an optional essential oil. So I'm always going to use an essential oil. Just makes me feel better. So let's go ahead and I'll show you guys how I mix this up. But before we start mixing everything up, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm hoping to get to 100 subscribers. We're on the road to 100 before Black Friday. Because y'all, I would really like to do a 100 subscriber giveaway. So we got to get up to 100 before Black Friday for me to give y'all the gift by Black Friday. I'm thinking about doing like a $100 gift card, maybe to like Sally's or Target, but we got to get there first, y'all. And I need to be able to do the raffle and then get it out to you. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and then also hit the notification so you see when I post a new video. But let's go ahead and get this all mixed up. Okay, y'all, so I have all my ingredients here that I'm going to use. There's only 5 ingredients. First is the aloe vera juice. I'm using the Lakewood Organic because they only use aloe and 1% lemon juice as their preservative. I don't want any of those other artificial preservatives in my aloe juice. Next is 1 teaspoon of gargum. I'm not sure how to say it correctly. That's the way I'm saying it today. So I'm using Bob's Red Mill. I just got that from a health food store. I think I went to Better Health for that one. Next is 2 tablespoons of vegetable glycerin. I'm using Now Solutions, also found at the health store. So I got that down here. And 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Yes, y'all, found some Crisco coconut oil. It's refined. I know. Supposed to use unrefined, but it is what it is. It was in my pantry. So 2 tablespoons of that. And then I have my Lang Lang oil because you can use an essential oil. And I'm happy because I found a 4-ounce bottle at TJ Maxx for $10. Y'all don't understand. Lang Lang is expensive. So we're going to go ahead and get everything mixed. Okay, so first she took the aloe vera, the 8 ounces. I'm going to just throw this in this giant coffee mug I found. And you want to take your coconut oil and mix that with that. Now she had a fancy smancy mixer. I just found a whisk. We're going to use that. I have basic things. It's okay. So I'm pretty sure it's not going to mix because, you know, oil, liquid, whatever. But we're going to get it best as we can. All right, good enough. All right, then she's going to take, or she took the gargum and mixed it with the vegetable glycerin. Not even in the picture. Mixed it with the vegetable glycerin. Now, I think this is what's supposed to take a while to mix. So give me a moment. Yeah, I'm trying to do this with one hand. It's hard. It's hard. The bowl's spinning around on me. But this mixing is getting in there. It's getting all thick and gooey. I'm just have to let this spin. I got time for this. And I'm dripping on the side. All right, I'm a little mix this a little more off camera. All right, y'all, so this is what we're looking like. So next we want to take this mixture, take the spoon out, just gonna put it in the cup, and we're going to put this into the aloe vera coconut oil, and we're just supposed to whisk this all together, and I think it's just supposed to get thick on its own. So go ahead and get started whisking on that. And my phone rings. Alright, so it doesn't feel like it's getting too thick. So tempted to put more of the gar gum in there, but I'm gonna stick to the plan. Can always revamp later. It's getting a little thick. I can feel it. Oh, I guess it's getting there. All right. Just gotta put a little work into it. I don't know if you guys can see the swirl. It's getting thick. Okay, it's getting thick. We good. Getting a little worried. Nobody trying to have this dripping all up and down my back. I think she said that in the video. I watch her too much. Ooh, my arm's tight. All right, so that's a good amount. Yeah, I think I only tend to use 6 ounces, and this will be a good amount for my hair. All right, so now that that's done, we can go ahead and add the essential oil. I didn't bring my dropper down because I was being lazy today. So what I pour is what I pour. All right, that's enough. I don't think she used a certain amount of drops in her video, but it is what it is. Oh, this got a little thicker. Okay, I'm getting excited. Smell good now from the Lang Lang. Okay, y'all. Okay, all right. So we gonna try this in our hair, or my hair. Y'all gonna watch me put it in my hair. And we're gonna see how well this detangles. If this stuff works great, we'll see if I leave that African pride alone. Yeah. Getting excited. All right, I'm done stirring, y'all. We about to go put this in my head. All right, so we are back. This is like my 10-day-old twist out from that okay custard I had. So I've been wearing it for a while. My twists are still there. They're still there. So, but right now I'm pretty sure it's gotten a little tangled. So we're gonna go ahead and try to put this mix in there. And then if you haven't seen that OK's custard video, I'll go ahead and post it above. All right. So I'm really hoping this works, y'all, because I don't have a backup. Like, I didn't buy an African Pride, so however this works in my hair is how it's going to work in my hair. All right, so this is my cup. Y'all see me make it with. And this stuff, it did get thick. It's gooey and thick, and it feels like what I would get like with the African Pride. So let's put this in, and ooh, Lord Jesus, there's slip. Okay, there is slip. This is quite comparable, and I think I paid, what did I pay? So like the vegetable glycerin was like $3.70. The Gorgon was like $7 and some change. So what that puts us to like $10-11. What else did I use, y'all? The coconut oil, I really don't remember how much the coconut oil was. I bought it a long time ago. But I'm gonna say you can get that around $8. And the essential oils, you can range from like $4 to $10. But if all that, I wonder how many uses I can make out of that. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure in the end, I'll have to buy more aloe vera. Y'all just listening to me ramble. I'm so sorry. I'm trying to calculate to see if this is like worth it, because I'll buy the African Pride and I'll get 2 uses out of it. And African Pride cost me like $6. So obviously today I spent more than $6, but the only thing you would have to buy every time you want to use it is the aloe vera juice, unless you get like a big bottle. So long term, this option is cheaper. But if you just want to see if a Pre-Poo works for you short term, you can try the African Pride. Trying to see how this works on knots. Like there's slip, but it's not getting this knot. We'll just say this one's a fluke for now. But it slipped. That slip is there. All right, I'm gonna go around my head and we're gonna see if I've been able to detangle in other areas. So I'll come back when I'm a little further along and let y'all know. All right, y'all, before I do the rest of my head, I just want to at least show you how the first section turned out. And look at it. I don't understand why people can keep making detanglers that make my hair look like this, but y'all can't make stylers that make my hair look like this. I don't understand. I don't understand. Y'all need to switch routines or something, get it worked out, but this looks awesome. And y'all, my hair grew a little bit. Yeah, it's about time for a trim. Might have to straighten that out soon so we can see what we're working with now. This is only my good section though. We know the rest of my hair don't look like that. But woo, bad boy. It's there. It's there. All right, y'all, I'm done. I'm gonna do the rest of my head. Y'all, I am all done and I basically used the whole cup. I knew I had more, so I went extra heavy-handed and I was just living my best life. This lang lang smells so good. It smells so good. I was relaxed the whole time, but y'all, this is convenient with that African Pride Pre-Poo. This even took down my crown. Like I just smoothed it into my crown. My fingers went right through. That never happens. That crown doesn't know what's going on with its life. I don't know what's going on with its life. And it just smoothed right through. So I think I may have found an alternative. Now I admit, there will be some days I'm lazy, even though all you gotta do is stir. But I'm gonna just go buy the Pre-Poo. But for right now, I got a whole bunch of the ingredients left besides the aloe, and I will be doing this Pre-Poo from now on. And I'm gonna be messing with some smells, but SheRea Del, thank you. Good job. It's gonna be a good hair day, y'all. It's gonna be a good wash day. I'm excited. You don't get excited for wash day, no. But thank you for doing this or watching me do this do-it-yourself Pre-Poo. I highly suggest it. Go check out her video below in case you want more detail, or just check her out all in general. She does make a lot of stuff here and there along with her product reviews, but go ahead and check her out because I'm sold and I'll be doing something new. And don't forget to subscribe as we try to hit that road to 100. Come on, y'all. Let's try to do it before Black Friday so I can get you a gift card to use for Black Friday. But just go ahead, like this video if you like this content. Let me know if you want me to do any more do-it-yourselves. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.